Hey guys, Brett from B&B Dynamic Machining. Remember to hit that like and subscribe button. I'm going to try to keep this short and sweet because the YouTube shorts seem to get more views and we want this guy to get some views. I had the privilege of talking to McAra from McAra Machining. This young man started his company when he was only 19 years old. He is now 24. He started working for a gentleman on a manual mills and basically told the gentleman that he could do this faster with a CNC, so he went out and got his very first CNC machine. He is now 24 years old. I believe he is up to 5 CNC machines and a couple machinists. He's out in the Oregon area, so if you're in the Oregon area, or even if you're not in the Oregon area, you want to give this young man a try. Obviously, he was very ambitious and still is. He had a very nice year last year, and he's still rocking and rolling this year. But come on, let's show this young man some support and contact Brandon McAra from McAra Machining if you need any work done. Have a great weekend, everyone.